People have only recently begun to profit from this new trend, earning anywhere from $5,000 to over $10,000. Using this trend, which is resurgent, you might potentially make over $10,000 from YouTube Shorts. All you need is a laptop or smartphone with internet access. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The first step is to go to Google, type Google Trends into the search bar. Select the top ranking results and click it. You will be taken to Google Trends site, where you may check what is currently trending locally, globally, or even around the planet. Simply type any word or phrase into this field and Google will show you the topic's current level of popularity. Do a search for Andrew Tate in the box provided. You will be directed to this page after pressing enter, where you can see that Andrew Tate had a very high August trend. His search traffic has increased once more, allowing you to make large profits. I know some of you don't like him and some of you like Andrew Tate, but you can earn a lot of money either way. You can always leave a comment below giving your opinion of him and why you like him or dislike him. In the previous month alone, Andrew Tate was searched for 25 million times according to vidIQ, a keyword research tool. This trend has big and tapped market where it can be profitable. Visit YouTube as the next step. Look there for Andrew Tate. As you can see, the first result is a YouTube Shorts video. It has the #1 rank for this topic dispute, having only been uploaded 20 hours ago. This is the power of YouTube Shorts. Another Shorts video will rank for this term even if you only scroll down a little instance. And as you go, many more Shorts video will rank. Most of this lengthy many more Shorts video will rank. Most of these lengthy videos, 2 million, 6 million, and so forth, get millions of views. More than 2 million, 3 million, and even 6 million people have seen YouTube Shorts. Since the channel who posted these videos are well-established channel with over 400,000, 500,000, and even over 3 million subscribers, you can clearly see that the long-form content was receiving millions of views. On the other hand, the shorts that attach millions of views were published on channel with merely 40,000, 60,000, and even 6,000 subscribers. This highlights the strength and potential of YouTube Shorts. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to enhance your shorts so you may use them to garner millions of views. The next action is to visit the YouTube Shorts channel that appears when you search for Andrew Tate. You may view some of the Shorts videos on channel like Creator Tate and Tate Society, for example. By examining the tags, titles, and popular Shorts videos that have millions of views, you may obtain an idea of how they operate. After viewing these shorts, go back to that section and select popular options there. Simply open each of the shorts one at a time. Click here and copy the URL for the shorts to find the most popular shorts on the channel. After that, just go to ytshorts.savetube.me. With the use of this website, shorts from YouTube can be downloaded. To start downloading the video to your device, just paste the URL you copied into this box. Click Get Link next to it, and then click Download. The fourth step is to go to clickbank.com and create a free account. ClickBank is an affiliate marketplace where if you don't already have one, you can get affiliate link for a variety of tangible and digital goods that you can then promote and sell to make money. Don't worry if ClickBank isn't available in your nation. I'll show you another affiliate marketplace. To access the affiliate market, sign into your ClickBank account if you already have one. On the affiliate market, there are many different options for both digital and tangible goods, and you will be compensated each time someone uses your affiliate link to make a purchase. You may obtain the greatest product, but I have already done the research on by just typing paid social media jobs into the search bar and pressing enter. It will say, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. One of the best discounts to promote on your Shorts YouTube channel. As you can see, this offer has a gravity of 300, which represents the amount of people who are successfully advertising this product. A gravity of greater than 30 is generally seen as desirable. Even after more than 12 years, this offer is still very popular. I've seen numerous creators promoting these offers and making over $1,000 every month. This deal initial conversion will net you $23, which is not very enticing. If you click affiliate page over here, you will be taken to its official affiliate page. If you scroll down a little till you find this upsell flow chart here, you can see that if someone orders this item, they will be provided with an additional offer that is an upsell of $97 and $67. The person will see three $57 and $37 upsell offers, and they can choose to accept them or not. Again, whether the person accepts or declines the offer, the last upsell offers of $37 will be displayed. You will receive a 75% commission on the price of each upsell in each of these scenarios, in addition to the initial $23 commission. For each consumer who makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you will receive a recurring commission of $48. Click the affiliate button, enter your ClickBank username, and click Create to create your hub link, also known as an affiliate link for this offer. WarriorsPlus.com is the second affiliate marketplace. Additionally, it is possible to access this in most nations, and it is one of the best affiliate markets. In the events that ClickBank is not available in your nation, you can use Warrior Plus. You can register for free on this page by clicking here or here in the top right corner. When you log into your account, your dashboard will display something similar. Select Offers by hovering your cursor over the affiliate column now. By scrolling down to the following page, you can browse further offers along with their release dates and other details. You can select any products to promote here, but it needs to have a conversion rate at least 12%, a refund rate of at least 5%, and an average sale of at least $15. I choose the item TV earnings for this technique. This bargain was made available to the public on November 7, 2022, and more than 1,000 people have already bought it. It has a phenomenal 29% conversion rate and 3% refund rate. This offer generates an average transaction of $45 and has a visitor value over $9, so we can make $9.84 for each person we refer to it. Another advantage is the 74% gravity of this offer. Before you start advertising this bargain, you must send a request to the owner of it explaining why you are a good fit for doing so. You might say, I have a list of 15,000 people interested in making money online, and I want to advertise it to them. I have a YouTube channel with the following interested in making money online, or something along those lines. The fifth stage is to create a YouTube channel with a name related to Andrew Tate. Give your channel a name such as Tate's Speech or Tate's Formula, and start downloading other channels' shorts to post on your channel each day. Remember to give them credit in each short's video description. Doing so will help you in two ways. They will never send you a copyright to start with. The second is that periodically, YouTube will start recommending your brief videos to its users. As a result, you will progress more swiftly. The most crucial thing to keep in mind is to add your affiliate link to every second short that you upload to your channel, both in the description and the comments. Use their tags and names too, so that when one of your YouTube shorts become well liked, it will spread like wildfire and all of your shorts will start to get views. By doing this, you'll get more channel subscribers and more people will click the affiliate link in the video description, which will quickly bring in $10,000 for you. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.